Hello friends, in today's video, we will learn 20 general knowledge multiple choice question and answer on world history part 1. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. The iconic Eiffel Tower in France was constructed in option A 1849, B 1889, C 1929 and D 1941. The correct answer is 1889. The construction work began in January 1887 and was finished on March 31, 1889. On the narrow platform at the top, Eiffel received its decoration from the Legion of Honor. Eiffel Tower Day is celebrated on March 31 to honor the tower's inaugural. Question number 2. The Order of Rising Sun is highest award of which country? Option A Russia, B South Korea, C Japan and D Germany. The correct answer is Japan. The Order of the Rising Sun is conferred on persons with achievement in international relations, promotion of Japanese culture, environmental preservation, welfare or achievement in their fields. It was constituted by Japanese Empire Meiji in 1875. Question number 3. Who was the first Western explorer to reach China? Option A Magellan, B Marco Polo, C Cook and D Sir Francis Drake. The correct answer is Marco Polo. Marco Polo is considered the first Western explorer to reach China. Polo traveled through Asia along the Silk Road between 1271 and 1295. He spent 17 years at the court of Kublai Khan. Question number 4. Where is the ancient city of Petra located? Option A Jordan, B Egypt, C Saudi Arabia and D Iraq. The correct answer is Jordan. Petra, known for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system, is an archaeological site in southern Jordan. Question number 5. In which year did Albert Einstein get the Nobel Prize? Option A 1914, B 1922, C 1929 and D 1935. The correct answer 1922. Albert Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922 for his discovery of the laws of the photoelectric effect, which provided crucial evidence for the particle-like behavior of light. Question number 6. In which country was Adolf Hitler born? Option A France, B Germany, C Hungary and D Austria. The correct answer is Austria. Question number 7. Which ancient civilization is credited with the invention of the wheel? Option A Mesopotamians, B Indus Valley, C Egyptians and D Mayans. The correct answer is Mesopotamians. The wheel was invented by the Sumerians in Mesopotamia around 3500 BC, revolutionizing transportation and machinery. Question number 8. Which among following is called Gift of the Nile? Option A China, B India, C Iraq and D Egypt. The correct answer is Egypt. Egypt is called the Gift of the Nile because the Nile River has been a lifeline of Egypt, providing water and fertile soil for agriculture. Question number 9. What toy was invented by the Greeks that many children still play with today? Option A, slinky, B, kites, C, marbles, and D, yo-yo. The correct answer is yo-yo. The yo-yo, or sometimes close to it, may have been created in Greece. It was made out of two terracotta discs and was simply called a disc. Like today, there were also toys meant just for girls and others meant just for boys. Question number 10. Who wrote a document known as the 95 Theses? Option A, Martin Luther, B, Saint Augustus, C, Voltaire, and D, Henry David. The correct answer is Martin Luther. This document was a list of grievances against the Catholic Church and sparked the Protestant Reformation in the 16th century. Question number 11. Which is considered as the oldest civilization of the world? Option A, Egyptians, B, Harappa, C, Mesopotamian, and D, Chinese. The correct answer is Mesopotamians. The Mesopotamian civilization was an ancient civilization that developed in the region between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in present-day Iraq and Kuwait. It was home to the Sumerians, Babylonians, and Assyrians, and is known as the cradle of civilization. Question number 12. By 1817, which country was one of the core nations of industrial Europe? Option A, Russia, B, Britain, C, Italy, and D, Germany. The correct answer is Britain. The industrial revolution began in Britain in the mid-18th century. Britain's natural resources and innovations such as the steam train made it a leader in industrialization. Question number 13. What was the name of the material that ancient Egyptians used to write on? Option A, cotton, D, linen, C, papyrus, and D, wood pulp. The correct answer is papyrus. Papyrus was a thick paper-like material made from the pitch of the papyrus plant. Cyprus papyrus. The ancient Egyptians also used papyrus to make reed boats, mats, ropes, sandals, and baskets. Question number 14. In 1905, the Russian Navy was defeated by option A, Japan, B, Germany, C, France, and D, Britain. The correct answer is Japan. In 1905, the Russian Navy was defeated by the Japanese Navy in the Battle of Tsushima, which took place on May 27-28, 1905. The Japanese victory in the Russo-Japanese War marked the first time in modern history that an Asian power defeated an European power. Question number 15. Who declared Christianity as a legal religion in Rome? Option A, Diocletian, B, Nero, C, Constantine, and D, Basil II. The correct answer is Constantine. Emperor Constantine issued the Edict of Milan in 313 AD, which made Christianity legal in the Roman Empire. This proclamation legalized Christianity and allowed for freedom of worship throughout the empire. Question number 16. Which dynasty gave birth to the invention of paper money? Option A, Manchu dynasty, B, Ming dynasty, C. Tang Dynasty, and D. Song Dynasty. The correct answer is Song Dynasty. By the 11th century, during the Song Dynasty, Jejoji, a form of banknote that is widely regarded as the world's first paper money by numismatists, was being officially printed and issued. Question number 17. Who said man is a social animal? Option A. Aristotle, B. Rousseau, C. Lasky, and D. Plato. The correct answer is Aristotle. The Greek philosopher Aristotle is credited with saying man is a social animal. Aristotle believed that humans are social creatures who thrive in the presence of others and learn their social qualities from society. He also believed that an isolated life is unbreathable for humans and that society fulfills all their needs and provides security. Question number 18. During Muslim rule, was the capital of Spain? Option A. Toledo, B. Cordova, C. Granada, and D. None of these. The correct answer is Cordova. Question number 19. Which country was not a member of the Holy Alliance? Option A. Britain, B. Russia, C. Belgium, and D. Prussia. The correct answer is Belgium. The Holy Alliance was a treaty drawn by Tsar Alexander in 1815 to reflect the return to conservative politics in Europe after the Napoleonic Wars. Its purpose was to protect European empires by curbing revolutionary sentiments. Question number 20. Which of the following country have a square-shaped flag? Option A. Switzerland, B. Uganda, C. Chile, and D. Finland. The correct answer is Switzerland.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.